Okay, this is a Cincinnati-Milacron universal cylindrical grinder, a model R77. This machine is made in Germany. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. The hydraulics, grinding spindle. This has an automatic cycle for plunge grinding. The machine can be used by hand. You actually have a rapid stroke back and forth. Your infeed is displayed here. It changes from a coarse feed to a fine feed. And at the end it starts a spark out cycle. And at the end it kicks out and the work stops. We'll run that one more time. That's your coarse feed. And your fine feed. And spark out, and then it retracts. The feed rate up there can be controlled using these knobs. I could slow that feed rate down and change the point that the fine feed comes on. It's all adjustable. This just is how I have it set right now. The headstock has got a variable speed drive. As it's running, you turn the knob here and you get a slower speed, or you can increase the speed going counterclockwise. Your tailstock. Now you're in your fine feed and your spark out. Now this is only for plunge grinding. In the traverse grinding mode, a certain switch has to be shut off to disable this. And when you come forward, this will feed all the way down to 0. And you start your table movement here. And now your feed comes from the hand wheel. You can turn this on and it'll feed only on one, the headstock side of the traverse. This side it won't. Or you can turn both sides on so that it feeds here and it feeds here. Both feeds are mechanical. This is a ratchet and pawl type of feed. After this feed box is fed all the way in to its dead stop, so that this is at as far as it can go with that automatic infeed. This has come all the way forward up against its dead stop, and now you're working solely by this mechanical ratchet, the same as you would if you just used the machine by hand. This has to be forward, and that's why this is down at 0, and when the switch is shut off here, your lights won't come on, so it won't kick out on you. There's a lot to learn, but it's a very simple machine. They're very popular, very well made. This is the retract button. The electrics are on the side. The hydraulic is built into the rear of the machine, and the coolant tank is located over on this side of the machine. And this is the coolant tank.